It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have been out and about all morning. I went grocery shopping. They have all of the Christmas candy out, and it was so tempting. I actually got elf candy corn. I don't even know what this is. I'm going to do a Goose Creek elf candle, and I'll talk about the elf candy corn. I'm like, I don't even know what it is. Do I want elf candy corn? I don't even know, but all of the Christmas candy is starting to arrive. Thanksgiving, 2 weeks from today. Oh my gosh. And Bath & Body Works is doing their buy one, get one free candle sale today. Is it a good deal or should you wait? If you buy the $24.95 or the $26.95 one. So we're going to do some math here. So, if you do the $24.95 divided by 2, you're going to pay $12.47 for these, which is actually a good deal just by itself. But if you happen to have a 20% off coupon, you're going to pay $9.98. That's Candle Day price. Seriously. So if you have a coupon, which I know a lot of people are saying they don't have coupons. I don't know what's going on with the coupons. This is always a problem. Some people get them mailed. Other people don't. There's really no logic to it. I actually don't even get coupons very much. Occasionally my husband will get one. My mom will get one. I get one occasionally, but it's not on a regular basis. It's funny, my girlfriend always gets them and then she gives them to me. So I'm so thankful that she gives me the coupons because it does help me to have a coupon. So again, anything in this label style is going to be $9.98 if you do the buy one, get one free and you have a 20% off coupon. That's a stock up price. I would definitely say go for it on these. The other style that is $24.95 are the holiday traditions, which includes Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, Twisted Peppermint, and the Golden Berry Mistletoe. I don't know what to think about this, you guys. This is not my favorite. And then the 20s. Oh, we have another set that's 24. Which ones are 24? They're the ones like the spiced apple toddy, the twisted peppermint. There's a lot in the $24.95 range. So like I said, if you're wanting Christmas candles, not a bad time to buy, but I know a lot of people are holding out for Candle Day, which is literally in 3 weeks. So this collection, by the way, I am burning the hot with peppermint hot chocolate. Oh yeah. It's so cold and awful out today. I'm like, I'm burning peppermint hot chocolate. I'm going to review that one in my next video. The crunchy English toffee, that set, those are $26.95. So let's do the price on those. $26.95 divided by 2. $13.47, still better than like the $14.95 price point that we just had. If you have the coupon minus 20%, that's $10.78. So again, if you're lucky enough to have the 20% off coupon, I say go for it. Get your Christmas candles because you never know. A lot of these might start to sell out by Candle Day. Feliz Navidad. These are the ones you're going to want to wait on. Gosh, this one is amazing, though. I gotta say, this is like one of my top favorite candles. I'm gonna do a top candle. Maybe tomorrow I'll do that. My favorite candles for Christmas so far. This one's $32.95. Don't do any of the $30, $29 candles with the buy one, get one free. You're gonna get a much better deal if you do the set price. Oh my gosh, where did Happy Hanukkah go? I just had it. The Red Barn. Oh my gosh, 'tis the season. I highly recommend 'tis the season. These are the $26 ones. Let me see here. Oh, Twisted Peppermint. I gotta review Twisted Peppermint. It's funny. Sometimes people say this one smells like lighter fluid. I gotta try it out this year. I'm digging the pink wax though. Look, my wicks are all like crazy though. They're like all over the place. I noticed the wick placement on some of these this year is a little up. Oh, here's Happy Hanukkah. Oh my gosh. I gotta review this one too. Pillowy fried donut, sweet jelly filling, sprinkled powdered sugar. It smells amazing. I gotta say, I'm loving that one. Crushed candy cane. which is completely different than Twisted Peppermint. This one smells more like Spangler candy canes, which, by the way, I saw today at the grocery store. I'm like, we're in full Christmas mode. Oh, that was fall. What is this? Oh, Snowy Peachberry. I got Snowy Peachberry. It's not smelling horrible to me. That's one that you guys know I don't love Snowy Peachberry. Oh, this was the Strawberry Pound Cake. Strawberry Pound Cake should be coming in the body care soon, by the way. The Pistachio Toasted Vanilla. This was an early one that came out. And then this whole collection. This was the Spice Citrus Grove. I like this one. Cold. I gotta burn this one. I think that one might be next. Fresh balsam. You can't go wrong with fresh balsam. Your house is gonna smell like a Christmas tree. So that's what's going on today with the candle sale. I would avoid the Perfect Christmas Under the Christmas Tree, To All a Good Night, those glass-topped ones, and wait until a single sale because you're going to get a much better deal on those. Not much else happening today. Body care is a total, just don't even do body care today. Buy 3, get 1 free. Not a good deal. There's nothing else going on. The single wicks are also buy 1, get 1 free. I don't recommend doing a single wick today because you're going to pay like $8 for a single wick. Not a good deal. They should be doing another single wick sale at some point. They usually do. So this weekend, as the information rolls in, by the way, of this body care sale, I'll be sharing all of that with you. So anyway, I got lots of candles to review here. If you see one here that you want me to review, let me know. Like I said, the peppermint hot chocolate is coming up next. We shall see what happens in the next day or two with the announcements rolling in. I want to know the final price. I'm pretty sure it's $3.95 and $4.95 on that body care day sale. But until I see the official price, I'm always a little bit like, could it change or anything? Member exclusive candle day. Okay, now I have, this is interesting, you guys. They just updated the app. Member exclusive candle day surprise. Rewards members get early access. And that's all they're saying. Okay. That's what I said yesterday. That's the news. That's the update. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys. I'll see you in a couple minutes with a candle review. I hope everyone's having a good day. Bye-bye.